Hello, hello, hello. My name is George. I own and operate Coatings by the Bay based in Appleton, Wisconsin. And a common question I get is, hey, George, I'm looking to get PPF done in Appleton, or I want to get PPF put on my car in Green Bay. I just don't know who to go to. Do you have a referral? And my answer is that I do not as of today, but hopefully by posting this video, I can get that information, see some photos of some installations that are up close so that I can see cut marks and, if there's no lifting, no bubbles. A lot of it's going to look great to somebody inexperienced, who just, hey, whatever, bought a C8, had a PPF applied to it. A lot of people aren't going to catch some of the stuff that others in the industry will see. So I would love, if you've had PPF done in Green Bay or PPF done, just paint protection film. Sorry, I keep using the abbreviation. If you've had paint protection film done in Appleton, down in Oshkosh, I would love a referral for my future clients or people that reach out just saying, hey, I don't know where to get PPF done. Again, before I can put my name behind it, I would just need to see a couple photos close up of the bumpers, the mirrors, whatever you had done. That way I can see it as a clean process and something I can trust to hand off to people that reach out to me. I'm 100% aware that, hey, odds of me getting a ceramic coating after they do PPF somewhere else is incredibly low, and that's not my goal. My goal is not keeping everybody in-house and saying, oh, I don't have a referral, or, there's just nobody good that I trust. I want to trust somebody. So again, please, if you've had PPF done in Green Bay, if you've had paint protection film done in Appleton, Oshkosh, anywhere in the Fox Valley that's close enough that I could send people that way, I'd love to hear your experience. No, I'm not looking for any shop owners to reach out to me and send me photos, because it's really easy to send over your best jobs. I want some organic stuff so that I see that I can trust putting my name behind a PPF shop in the area. I'm not a guy that's searching for kickbacks to do it. I want to be able to just send people somewhere that I trust. So they say, hey, George really helped me out when I was looking for PPF. That's my goal. I want to feel good about helping somebody out to get exactly what they need. So if you've had PPF done in the Fox Valley area and you loved it, please shoot me a message in the comments so that we can connect. And you can send over, a couple photos of the work. That's all I'm asking for, just so that I can see the cuts around the sensors, on the edges of the body panels, and just kind of make sure that everything's in order before I'm referring people out. Hope to have a referral soon. I'll record a new video as soon as I do. I just really need to find a shop that I trust before I'm putting my name behind somebody else's work. Plenty more questions to answer on this 100 and 100. Have a good one.